Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? WhatsApp call is not ringing. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First solution you have, disable the do not disturb mode. So then methods, the do not disturb mode turn off. So then you have open the setting and click on focus, click on do not disturb mode. So then you have turn off from here, and then second you have open the control center, then click on focus, click on do not disturb mode turn on, then turn off on your iPhone. So then second solution you have update the WhatsApp. So then you have open the app store. So then you have check the update from here is available on your app store. So then you have search the WhatsApp. So then you have check the update is available, so you have install on your iPhone. So then the third solution you have delete, and then you have uh, uninstall and install from another as app store. So then you have removed the your iPhone, then you have uh, again install on from app store on your iPhone. Then fourth solution you have update the software. So then you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be installed on your iPhone. Then fifth solution you have restart your iPhone, then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Then other solution you have offload and reinstall. So then you have open the setting, click on general, click on iPhone storage. So then you have click on WhatsApp. So then you have offload and reinstall from here. Then you have reinstall from here, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So then you have 100% working on your iPhone. So then the solution you have allow the notification. So you have open the setting and again click on notification, you have scroll up, then you have click on WhatsApp. So then he is turned off on your iPhone, then 100% call ringing on your iPhone working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.